Hi everybody, it's Stephanie. I would like to give you an example that is similar to homework 2, part 2. As you can see, this is my example. I am going to take you guys to SPSS, where I've already entered in the variable of ounces, and I've entered in my data. Alright, so from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Frequencies. You will move ounces over to variables. Then you will click on Statistics. You would like to know the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and your skewness. And then press OK. This will give you all the information that you need to know for central tendency and skewness. That's important. We are going to go back to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies, and now we're going to go down to Charts. Where it says None, we're going to select Bar Charts right there. And make sure Frequencies is selected. Press Continue, and then OK. This is going to give you the bar chart. Next, we are going to work on the histogram. We are going to go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies, Charts again. This time we are going to select histograms. You need to put a check mark and show normal curve on histogram. Continue, OK, and it is going to give you the histogram with a normal curve on it. In this histogram, it looks almost similar to a normal distribution. But if you go up to your information and you look at skewedness, you see that it is positive. This allows you to gather more information to decide which measure of central tendency is best fit for interpreting the data. Some other questions that you might encounter are modes. How many modes are in each distribution? Alright, so when we look at the bar chart, there's only one mode with 3 frequencies. But when we look at the histogram, there's one mode at 6 frequencies. This is because the data is over an interval and not for the specific data point. You can have multiple frequencies also, and these are not modes. The only one is mode, which is the most number, is going to be this one on this particular graph. Okay? Now, what we've learned from our information up above is that our skewness is positive. Alright, just keep that in mind. Now, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and skewness, like I said, is all up here in statistics, and all the other information you need should be gathered within the problem itself, the histogram, and the bar chart. If you have any questions, please let me or Claudette know, and we will be more than willing to help you. Thank you and have a great night.